Hello my dears, in this video I'll show you how you can speed up your phone and improve the speed of your phone, even your phone is an old phone. So follow this step by step, and please don't forget, leave a comment down here if this step by step works. Oh, thank you, it works. You can't imagine how powerful your comment is. The first thing you need to do is open your settings. The settings is this engine icon. If you are not finding this engine icon, you can scroll down the top of your phone until the bottom of your phone with your finger, and this engine icon will appear at the top right corner or sometimes at the left right corner, but in the most of case at the top right corner. Just tap right here in this engine icon and it will shows this screen, settings screen. So scroll down until the bottom of this page, and after that you need to click right here and about phone. Tap right here and it will shows this main settings screen, about phone. So scroll down until you find software information. Tap right here in software information and it will shows this screen. In this screen, we will need to press many times in one options to enable the developer options. Okay, so you need to tap many times in build number, about 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after 7 touch, it will appear to you put your enter pin. The pin is the number you unlock your phone. I'll put right here, and my developer mode is on. Okay, just tap in back again, and it will shows this main settings screen. Just scroll down until the bottom of this page and it will shows these new options, developer options. Tap right here in developer options and you must to scroll down and pay attention and do what I'll do. Scroll down until you find this configuration, drawing. Okay, drawing, and after that, are you seeing this is 1x, 1x, 1x? You just need to tap in window animation scale and animation off. After that, transition animation scale, tap right here, animation off. And after that, animation duration scale and tap in animation off. After this, your phone will be faster. And after that, your phone will get faster because you will take off all animations that lag your phone and it will get better. So please, my dears, don't forget, leave a comment down here if I helped you with this simple tutorial. Oh, thank you, it works. And if it isn't work, comment down here what happened. Please subscribe at this channel, share this content and leave a like. I hope I help you with this tutorial. Until the next video, my dears, and stay with God and see ya!